At Lucintel, we've done significant research into the high temperature composite resin market. Today I'll share with you how we characterize this market, as well as some of the dynamics at work and where we see opportunities. This thought leadership video is based on Lucintel's market research report on the high temperature composite resin market. We've done considerable secondary research and conducted primary interviews with players throughout the value chain to develop our insights. Before I share some of our analysis, let me briefly introduce myself as well as Lucintel. My name is Brandon Fitzgerald, and I'm a director at Lucintel. I've worked with over 100 companies in the areas of growth strategy and mergers and acquisitions. Lucintel is a management consulting and market research firm headquartered in Dallas, Texas. We have over 1,000 clients worldwide, and we offer services in the areas of market entry strategy, opportunity screening, due diligence, value chain analysis, and M&A. Now, let me share some of our perspective on the opportunities in play in the high temperature composite resin market. To summarize, we see the opportunity as being interesting. For example, the global market is projected to grow to a value of roughly $1 billion by 2025. This represents a compound annual growth rate of around 2.2%. Currently, aerospace and defense is the largest end-use industry, whereas epoxy is the largest resin type. In terms of the regions, North America offers the largest demand for high-temperature composite resin, followed by the Asia Pacific, and then by Europe. If you look into the value chain, you see that the ecosystem for this market is composed of a diverse group of companies. Now, let me share some of our perspective on some of the key drivers and emerging trends in this market. Some of the major drivers include the increased demand for thermally stable materials in the aerospace and defense industry. Some of the major challenges include applications limited to niche and high-end uses. In terms of the emerging trends, we see the development of new resin systems with low toxic content and an emphasis on more high-temperature recyclable thermoplastic resins as being significant trends in this market. As you've seen, Lucintel has examined different drivers, challenges, and trends throughout the value chain. In order to compete more effectively, our analysis indicates that companies could invest in capabilities for recyclable high-temperature thermoplastic resins. These insights are based on Lucintel's market research report on the high-temperature composite resin market. This report is designed to help you identify opportunities across different application segments and regions for your company. At Lucintel, we have an extensive toolkit to address strategic questions such as, what kind of game-changer actions exist in the market? Or is a more incremental approach to growth better? Or where should I focus sales and marketing resources based on a voice of customer analysis? To learn the answers to these and other questions about the high-temperature composite resin market, please contact Lucintel. Thank you very much for listening to our video today.